if you're watching this video, then obviously it came out cute. That's all I'm gonna say. Because if it come out looking ugly and like a little chicken or something, I'm not sharing. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Special Nicole and I provide you with videos on my Microlocs, makeup, and lifestyle. And also I have a series with my boyfriend called Love and Strand. Make sure you check out those videos, and yeah, let's get into it. So I know I'm in rare form again. I got my Christmas onesie on, the bonnet on, and my glasses on. So y'all probably like, what in the world is she about to do today? So nothing really exciting. I just need to style my hair, and I thought, why not style it with y'all? And then I also share a little updates, few changes that I have either made in my routine or I've noticed to my hair. It's not that much. Don't get too excited. It's not that much. But let's get into it. So I'm taking my bonnet off. Yeah, this is what my hair usually looks like with my bonnet on. But if you can't tell, I have just retied my hair. I finished it in one day, y'all. One day I finished retying my hair. That has never happened, ever. Y'all probably seen my how I feel about interlocking my hair video, and y'all already know that never happens. So it wasn't even that bad. I sat and I just watched TV, and it probably took me maybe it probably took 10 hours, maybe. But I didn't have to do it over a period of 2 days or 3 or 4 days. I did it in one sitting, and I feel accomplished, and we're done. I got some hang time, but it's all mashed now because of the bonnet. The bonnet really just takes away my little length. I had some drop yesterday. I'll add a clip of like what it looked like as soon as I finished, and then you can see how it looks right now. So what I have new to share is a new tool I got off Amazon. I'll link it below, but I like it and then I don't like it. I like how the curve is horizontal, so it's a lot easier for me to get in and get to work. Like, I think that's why I finished quickly, because of the shape. So I do like the shape and how it is curving this way. I don't know where my old tool is. I'll grab it and share it with y'all, or share a picture of it up here. But I just like this shape. Like, it's horizontal versus this is another tool that came with this one. You see, it's a vertical curve, and then this one is horizontal. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. But as you can see, it's not silver anymore, so like all of the silver paint or whatever is fading. So that's my only con for it. I don't like that. But other than that, it got me through my interlocking section. I ordered this entire, it's like a 6-piece kit, and it has all these insta-locking, I don't know what you call them things, insta-locking tools also. And I use these, y'all. I did. I use them. Well, I use the 0.5 for my unraveling ends. I did. I feel accomplished, and I don't care. I don't even know what it means since I did it, but I did it, and hopefully my unraveling issue is over. I know y'all be like, oh, braid the ends. I did. But the few that I had that were still unraveling, I just hit it with that tool, and I think my unraveling problems will be over. We'll see. So yeah, that was that. I don't really have any other updates besides length. It's grown. And then still have frizziness sometimes. Mostly I don't care. I'm still bored, if you haven't checked out that video. So I think after my retie loosens up a little bit, I'm going to try to do crochet. If I do it, I'll record it so y'all can see. And yeah, nothing else is happening. So let's talk about this hairstyle that I want to do today. All right, so I want to try to do the two-strand twist on my Microlocs, where you twist them, put the rubber band on the end, and you wear it as a style. I don't know how that's gonna look, especially with my locks not being the traditional. Traditional locks are usually what you see this style on. And then also longer locks. Mine are not long and they are not traditional, so I don't know how this is gonna work. If you're watching this video, then obviously it came out cute. That's all I'm gonna say. Because if it come out looking ugly and like a little chicken or something, I'm not sharing. So if you're watching this, it's gonna be cute. Keep watching because we're gonna figure out how to do it together. All I'm gonna use are these rubber bands, black rubber bands, because of course I'm gonna leave the twist in, so I need something on the ends to seal them, and I don't want to see color, like colored rubber bands. And I'll probably spray my hair. I'm definitely gonna spray my hair with water to wake it up so it can stop looking like a little mushroom, but I'm gonna spray with water, and that's pretty much all I'm using. I'll probably oil my scalp afterwards, just to get it less dry. So let's try this out, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair to wake it up. And this is usually what I do anyway when I take my bonnet off, unless I'm about to take a shower. Like if that's how I'm starting my day with a shower, then I'll just let the steam from the shower hit it. All right, she woke now. She's awake. All right, I gotta figure out where I want to start at, or how I'm gonna start. I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't know. Let's see. All right, so I got the camera adjusted a little better, and then I put my hair in sections, and now I'm going to figure out what I'm gonna do with these twists, y'all. All right, so from what I've seen with traditional locks, they take like two traditional locks and they twist them together. I am not doing two of these. That will take forever, and that's basically just no. So I think, let me see. I think I'll probably do like 5 maybe. I don't know. I'm not counting. I'm gonna just grab sections and go because I don't want to do this all day. So let's see. I can't see. Where's my mirror? I am going to try to make sure that it's in a square at least. I don't know how many this is, but I'm just twist. And when I get to the end is when I'll put the rubber band on. I don't know if it's a specific way I'm supposed to do this. I think I'm supposed to make it a ball. It's too small. Maybe I need to grab more. The rubber band's too big. This isn't working. That rubber band's gonna slide right off. Y'all think this too small. And it's not even twisted at the root. Yep, this is about to be a fail. Let's try another one. All right, I grabbed more hair this time. Let's try to see if this is better. All right, rubber band. Okay, that size might be better. What y'all think? Yeah, I like this one better. This size. So that means I gotta take this one out and make it match. This is getting ghetto already. Let's see. Alright, so I took them out. And we're gonna try to get them all to match. Y'all see my little hang time now? I told you. She growing for now. Then once it start to shrivel up throughout the week. Alright, so I did that. I can't really tell how many I'm picking up. This just need to get me through the work weekend, in all honesty. So it don't have to be perfect. I hope I like it. Because I don't even know how I would style them. How long I'm going to keep them in for one. And I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm just intrigued. And I like how it looks on like the traditional locks. Especially when they have like the fresh retie. Or what they get? Retwist. I thought that I could try to achieve the same thing. We're out to see. Get out there. Well, there's 2 down. I'm gonna do one more and then I'm not gonna bore y'all how y'all watch me do all of them. I thought my only concern is I don't think I'm getting it twisted tight enough to the root. That's probably why they only use 2 twists or 2 locks when they do this. I'm not doing that. So, well, this one feels a little tighter. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. So what y'all think? We got those 3. I'm gonna do the rest and then we gonna come back. And if I don't like them, then it's gonna be a twist out tomorrow when I take them out. All right, I'll be back and let y'all see the results. Y'all, it's giving me Felicia vibes. That's what it's giving. It's given by Felicia. And it could be because I'm still in my glasses and I'm not cute. Like, I'm always cute, but because I'm not spruced up and stuff. You can see my length. See my length back there. But I can't do this. I thought I would be able to, like, let me see. Look at it. This is, maybe they're supposed to be smaller. Maybe I was supposed to do like 4 twists together. That would have taken forever. Like, it's a no for me. So what I'm gonna go do is have we're gonna have a twist out, and I'll be back to show you those results, because this ain't it. We can't do this. We can't walk around here looking like Bye Felicia. We can't do it. So I'm gonna be back, and that's the end of that story. That's how the cookie crumbles, because this is not it. Nope. I showed y'all. Maybe I'll put the idea in your heart, make you want to go try it. You can know what not to do. I would say it probably needs to be half of this size. Yeah, I say it would have to be half this size to be able to do stuff, because I literally can't do anything but wear it like this. Yep, nope. I'm gonna be back. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. Twists are gone. They had to go. It was a no for me. A hard no. Hard pass. No. Not happening. So this is the result of a twist out with those twists. I think I had them in for probably 3-ish hours, and these are the results. I still had good definition. My loose natural hair could never do this. Like 3 hours with twist in and I have a twist out? No. I still have some that didn't quite finish separating yet, like this one. But yeah, I may try again one day to do the 2-strand twist, probably smaller. I don't know. It was a fail, but hey, at least I have a good twist out from it. So that's all I have for y'all. No real updates on my hair besides what I told y'all in the beginning, and I will continue to create some new content for y'all about my hair and about everything else I have going on. So yeah, that's all I have. So I hope you enjoyed watching me struggle with getting my hair styled. I hope you stick around and watch a couple more videos like this one down here. Yeah, that one. Go ahead and watch that. And then go ahead and, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe so you can be a part of this little beauty gang over here, where we always set in our beauty standard. You can visit my blog to find out more about that. setyourbeautystandard.com. I hope it's on the screen somewhere. If not, it's going to be in the description box for you to go and visit. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.